especially in classics. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door sedan. This would be a true Bel Air, and it would have originally been a V8 car. VIN starting out with VC indicates that. Still retains a 283 underneath the hood, has been bored 30 over. And that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, 336 gears. Go ahead and take a look at the headlight surrounds, chrome grille. Particular color of this car would be the Adobe beige and Sierra gold combination, and that is an original 1957 paint color. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this, check out the interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the paint shows well on this one. Be a nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Interior would be considered black, copper, and beige. And that also would be an original 1957 interior color combination that you would have seen on this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bright work and chrome. Now, a couple things I want to mention. There are some extra parts that will go along with this. In the box, it is the Bel Air logos that go on the rear quarters. As you can see, extra mirror, hubcap, radio, and some miscellaneous parts that will also go along with. Those will be in the trunk, and it's for that insignia right there, what the 2 gold Bel Air items are in that box. Also, the techs that looked at this vehicle did mention getting down there in the rear brake shoes, and that could use 4 wheel cylinders. A gentleman selling this car elected to sell it as is, just making that announcement. He drove it here, has driven it. It'll drive out just fine, but something that is going to need a little TLC in the near future, FYI. Once again, still pictures. Check out the underside, interior, trunk, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We'll take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see the paint shows well. Are there imperfections here and there? Yes, but overall, pretty much free of much of any dings, nicks, or scratches on the side. We can take a look at the rear seats. Condition of those, and you'll be able to see all of this in the still pictures also. Door panels, a little wear in the armrest here. Again, fun one just to jump in and go. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. We're gonna fire it up. Let's hear it run. All right, again, 3-speed manual paired up with that 283. As you can see over here, gas gauge does work. Car starts easily. That was a cold start, FYI. That's why the temperature gauge still down on low. Did not have the radio working. I would not power up. Wipers appear to still be vacuum. And as far as the heater, the blower motor works and everything there. And as you can see down below here, they've added a little aftermarket temp gauge. Car fires right up, idles nicely. I believe it was a Rochester 2-barrel on there. Slip around to the back, little rumble coming out of that 283. Nothing over the top. Say the way you'd expect one of these to sound. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pause this a second. Pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, the hood propped, and the hinge spring's a little bit weak on it. It'll stay up, but let's put it this way. I'm not going to trust it when I'm doing a video around here, so I do have a little prop rod put up there. Nothing real major. There's that 283. Again, board 30 over, so it has been rebuilt. The heater hose is still hooked up. Nice smooth running engine, sounds good. So pretty much what you would expect out of a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air engine bay. It's pretty standard. There you go. True 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door sedan, original V8 car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your salesman when you call in or